Intrepid. I think. Oh shit, he's about to... Oh fuck, he just rear-ended somebody. I got it all on...
Is anyone injured?
I'm not sure yet, but...
Okay, where are you at, sir? What street are you on?
Right in front of the McDonald's on Dodge Street at 77th and Dodge. I think the car that he rear-ended a city bus.
A city bus, you said?
Yep.
Does it look like he's going to stop, or he's going to keep driving?
His car's in...
In 2 miles, take exit 419, University Boulevard, Chandler Road, Hospital.
So exit 94.
Jesus Christ, you can't hear the fucking horn?
What the fuck are you doing?
That motherfucker.
retard. Holy
To stay
shit.
on I-55 South.
Seriously, dude?
Fucking idiot.
Really?
Yeah, you fucking idiot. Yeah. Come on, you motherfucker. This motherfucker right here. PTL 3632.
Crazy bastards. Somebody went around me at the intersection here and almost head on the car. Yeah, but here goes another one.
And then we didn't get to get pizza this time, did we?
No, we didn't.
No.
Fuck, we did it. Oh my god.
What the heck is this person doing? What the heck are you doing, lady? There's literally somebody driving the wrong way on the road. And they're going up 64 the wrong way.
Let's take a left to I-79 North Veterans Bridge. Stay to the left to I-579 North Veterans Bridge.
Reaching out, I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around.
Nearly double the USDA daily limit for a school lunch. So now, school districts serving nearly 30 million kids funded by the National School Lunch Program have the option to dish out these meals packed with additives for flavor, texture, and shelf life. And understand, this is literally killing future generations. Studies have linked ultra-processed foods